Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new magnetic car mount. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Alright. So check it out. Go ahead and install it so you can see it, but I just want you to see it right out of the box. Able to fold that up. There it is. So here is the magnetic piece right here. This is where you're gonna stick it onto, so this can go on the windshield, this can go on the dash, this can go just about anywhere. So like I said, look, we're gonna go ahead and install it here in a second, but I just want you to see it's just like an adhesive that you're gonna go ahead and place it wherever you like. And then they do send you this one as well in case it may be uneven or you just want a bigger adhesive like this one as well. If you kind of wanna line it up perfectly, they'll send you that. And then if you don't have a phone that has the magnetic already built in, they'll go ahead and send you one of these so you can still go ahead and use it. And then just a way for you to kind of clean the little area and set it up. So this does turn 360 degrees, as you can see. So I do like that feature. So no matter how you want to use it, if you want to stick it up like this or just have it like this, all those options are available. And it is very heavy duty as well. It's not just like a cheaper plastic. It feels very sturdy. So now we can go ahead and try it out. All right, so as you can see, the area is nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece off. There we go. And I am gonna wanna put it right here, but like I said, you're able to put it here, things like that. So we gotta make sure that it is unlocked and ready to go. So we're gonna put it about here. Go ahead and tighten that up. Set it about there. Check this out. We can turn this however you want. So if you want it a little lower, you can set it there. But as you can see, and the other cool thing is we can just keep turning this as much as you want, or we can even bring it more down to even about here and have it set there. And that's like perfect for what it is. I guess as you can see, it holds it onto it very well. You're able to move it and angle it however you want. So very, very cool, very simple to install. So you're able to take this off, but we'll go ahead and tighten this back up. So even if you wanted to watch YouTube or something like that, you're able to do so right there. Like I said, look, you're even able to set it up this way if you want it a little higher, or if you want to angle it a little more down. So again, it's not set in stone right here. You're able to move it wherever you like. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new magnetic holder for your phone, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.